A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back. So today is our EVS lecture. Which lecture? EVS lecture. Okay. Hope I'm audible to each and everyone. Everyone can hear me. Please type Y in the chat box. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. So parents, what is our today's topic? Yesterday was Ganesh Chaturthi. Everyone know, and we all were having holiday for the same. Yes or no? Kal Ganesh Chaturthi tha, and we all were having holiday for the same. Now, as you know, the year is getting to end and we are all celebrating what? हम लोग क्या celebrate करें? Yes, festival. There are so many festivals in our country. As you know, India is a, yes, it's a diversity. There is a diversity in our country. There are so many religion, caste, कितने सारे हैं ना, कितने सारे traditions होते हैं, and we all celebrate so many festival. हम मिलके celebrate करते हैं festival. Yes. So today we are going to see about some festivals. There are so many festivals. मैं आपको सारे festivals तो नहीं बता सकती हूँ, but some important festivals that we all know which are this important festival, and we all celebrate these festivals together. So how we are going to introduce festivals to our children? हम कैसे उनको introduce करवाएंगे? Yes. And our children also know so many festivals. उनको भी पता है कौन से festival है. Some are their favorite festival. So let us see how we are going to introduce our children about the festival. Wait a minute. Yes. So here are some festivals which we all celebrate together. Right, parents? Yes. Here are some festivals which we all celebrate together. So how you all are going to introduce festival to your children? Yes. You have to talk to them. आपको उनके साथ में बातें करना है about the festival. Which festival comes in which month? What are the importance of the festival? हम क्यों celebrate करते हैं? What we do in the festival? What all things are be done before the festival, during the festival हम क्या करते हैं? So in this way you can talk to your children and you can introduce to them about the festival. Yes, right. There are so many festivals. Let us see how many festivals are there. Today we are going to talk about some few festivals. Yes. Now the first festival is Eid. Yes. This is which festival? It is Eid. Yes, when we all used to come to school. Yes, kids, जब आप school आते थे, we used to celebrate this festival. Yes, हम लोग ये festival celebrate करते थे school में. Yes, what you all have to do? You all have to wear new clothes. आप new clothes पहन के आते थे. And you used to bring sweets. हम एक दूसरे को sweets वगैरह distribute करते थे. Yes or no? We also used to hug each and all. हम लोग एक दूसरे को hug करते थे. Yes, and we used to say Eid Mubarak. Do you all remember this? Yes. So in this festival, whose festival is this? Who celebrate this festival? We all celebrate. But who celebrate this festival? कौन celebrate करता है ये festival? Yes, the Muslims celebrate Eid festival. This is the new year for the Muslims people. उनका new year होता है. Yes, very good. So the Muslims people, they celebrate this festival. Now why do they celebrate this festival? ये festival क्यों celebrate किया जाता है? What is the importance of this festival? As we all have our new year, हमारा भी new year होता है, किसी का गुड़ी पाड़वा होता है, किसी का लोहरी होता है. Yes or no? Everyone have their different new year. So here also they also celebrate this festival. वो 1 month का fast रखते हैं and after that 1 month they celebrate this festival by looking at the moon. Yes or no? वो क्या देखते हैं? मून को देखते हैं. मून को देखते हैं, उसके बाद में उनका ये फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. एंड व्हाट दे डू ड्यूरिंग दिस फेस्टिवल? ये फेस्टिवल में व्हाट दे डू? दे वेयर new clothes. Yes or no? As you all know, during festival we all wear new clothes. Yes, they wear new clothes. they meet each other. See, they meet each other. Yes, they hug. वो एक दूसरे को गले लगाते हैं. Yes, and they also say Eid Mubarak to each other. What do they say? Eid Mubarak to each other. And what is this festival? Eid is a festival of togetherness and love. Yes, they all come together during festival. Yes or no? हम festival के दिन सब एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं. We all come together. Yes, and the festival is of togetherness and love. And here, see, they go to mosque to prayer. Now, as we all know, Hindu peoples, they go to temple. मंदिर में जाते हैं ना Hindu people for praying. Yes, आपका कोई भी festival होता है, you go to temple, you pray to God. In the same way, Muslim people, they go to the mosque. See here, they go to the mosque. You can see a mosque over here. Yes, what is the meaning of mosque? Mosque means masjid. Yes, have you ever heard about this masjid? Yes, they go in the morning, they go to the masjid, they go to the mosque, and they pray and wish for their family and friends. Yes, वो क्या करते हैं? They get up in the morning, they wear new clothes, they go to the, they pray over there for healthy good news and everything. वो अच्छे कामना के लिए वहाँ पे प्रेयर करते हैं. And what do they prepare at home? वो घर पे क्या प्रिपेयर करते हैं? What do they make? They make sweet shir khumas. Yes, you all love to eat shir khumas. Yes, so they prepare sweet shir khumas, sevaiyas, sweets. Yes or no? They eat shir khumas. Yes. So this is the festival of Eid. Yes. So this was the festival of Eid, and who celebrate the Eid? Muslim peoples, and we all also celebrate the Eid festival. Okay. Now coming to the next festival. So in this way, you have to say your child the importance of the festival. And the next festival is festival. Which festival? It is Diwali. Yes. The next festival is Diwali. Yes. See here. Yes or no? We all celebrate Diwali festival. Yes. And the Diwali festival is of light. अभी दिवाली को festival of light क्यों कहा जाता है? Why do we say Diwali is the festival of light? Yes. Yes, you can see everywhere diyas. Yes, you can see so many diyas everywhere. Yes or no? Yes. When Diwali festival comes, before that, मम्मी what mama and papa do? They clean our house. Yes or no? हम क्या करते हैं? हमारे घर को full clean करते हैं. Some do paintings and all. Yes or no? हम लोग घर को painting करते हैं, clean करते हैं. What do we buy? We buy new clothes. Yes or no? Yes. Diyas. Yes. And what else? We also hang lanterns. Kandils वगैरह लगाते हैं. We decorate our house with lightings and all. Yes, so it is known as festival of light because we lit everywhere. Diyas, lightings, lanterns and all. Yes or no? हम लोग सब जगह diyas वगैरह लगाते हैं. We decorate our house with lights and also it is a festival of light. And what else? Yes, we also make rangolis, decorations and all. Yes, you all love to make rangolis. Yes, and what else? And what else we do during Diwali festival? और क्या करती है मम्मा घर पे? Mama makes, yes, we make kandil faral. Yes, mama makes chaklis, laddu. You all enjoy eating this? Yes. So same thing, the Diwali is festival of light and happiness. Here also, we all come together. We pray to God. We pray to God Lakshmi and all. Yes or no? We pray to God Lakshmi. We have puja at our home. Yes, and in night we crack crackers. Yes or no? हम लोग crackers वगैरह फोड़ते हैं. Yes, but it is very dangerous. You all have to go with your elders. जब भी आप जाओ crackers फोड़ने के लिए आपको आपके elders के साथ में ही जाना है. Right. So in Diwali festival, what we all do? We wear new clothes. We decorate our house. We make rangolis. Yes or no? We decorate our house with diyas, lanterns. Mama makes what? Farals, chakli, laddu, farsans and everything. Yes. You meet your relatives. आप अपने friends के घर पे जाते हो. Yes or no? You all enjoy this festival. So this is the important of Diwali festival. Yes. Now coming to the next festival. Yes. So now next festival is which festival you can see? Yes. Wait a minute. The next festival is Baisakhi. Now, Baisakhi. Who celebrate Baisakhi? And what is the festival? This festival is of harvest. Harvest. You can see what is the meaning of harvest? Yes. Harvest means जब farmers, जो farmers होते हैं ना, yes, in Punjab, Sikh peoples, they celebrate Baisakhi. The farmers, when the new plants grow, जब new crops grow होते हैं, they cut that, harvesting, cutting होता है, harvest करते हैं new crops का. And what they do, ये फेस्टिवल को वो क्या करते हैं, हार्वेस्ट करने के बाद में दे सिंग, दे डांस, दे गो टू गुरुद्वारास. नाउ द सिख पीपल्स गो टू गुरुद्वारा, यस, एंड दे प्रे टू देयर गॉड. दे प्रे टू द गॉड. वो उनके सामने ये हार्वेस्ट जो भी उनका जो क्रॉप्स होता है वो उनके सामने रखते हैं, प्रेयर करते हैं. दे ऑल एंजॉय दिस फेस्टिवल विद देयर फैमिलीज एंड friend. Yes, you can see over here. See, these people go to Gurudwara. Yes, they go to Gurudwara. They pray over there and they also sing and dance together. So this Baisakhi festival is of Sikh peoples. This is a festival of harvest. Yes, this is a festival of harvest. Yes. Now coming to the next festival. Yes. Now which festival is this? This is Christmas. Yes, Christmas. Now, this festival we all used to come together and celebrate in school. आपको बहुत पसंद आता है? Yes. So now, why do we celebrate Christmas festival? हम Christmas क्यों celebrate करते हैं? Yes, why do we celebrate Christmas? Yes, because it is a birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes, this is the birthday of Jesus Christ. On date do we celebrate Christmas? हम कौन से डेट को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं क्रिसमस? Yes, we celebrate this on 25th of December of every year. Yes, you all know ना 25th December हमारा क्रिसमस डे होता है because it is a birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes, Christmas is a festival of joy and peace. Yes, this is also a festival of joy and peace. We celebrate this festival by giving gifts and decorating the Christmas tree. Can you see a Christmas tree over here? Yes, many people what they do, they decorate the Christmas tree. हम लोग क्रिसमस ट्री को डेकोरेट करते हैं, yes or no? And who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Santa Claus. Who is this? Santa Claus. You all love Santa Claus ना? आपको सबको Santa Claus बहुत पसंद है. Why? Why you love Santa Claus? Because he gives children many gifts and chocolates. Yes or no? Santa Claus आपको क्या देते हैं? बहुत सारे gifts and chocolates देते हैं. Yes? Yes. So, this is the festival of Christmas. It is a birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes. And here also, these people, Christian people, they go to church. Where they go? They go to church. Yes, they pray to the God. Yes. Now, as we all go to temple, they also go to the church. The Christian peoples, they go to the church. They pray to their God. And in the evening, they come at home. Evening, they celebrate this festival by cutting the cake. Yes, they also cut the cakes. And they celebrate this festival. Yes, very good. So these are some festivals that you can introduce your child by showing some pictures related to that festival. आप उनको कुछ picture show कीजिए and ask them which festival is this, what is the important of the festival, when do we celebrate, why do we celebrate, what is the reason behind celebrating. आप उनको कोई short story बताइए. Yes, in this way you can introduce the topic of festival. As in India there is diversity, there are so many religions, cultures and all. We all celebrate the festival together. हम लोग सारे festival together celebrate करते. Yes or no? Yes. Now coming to the next. Yes. Now which festival is this? Yes, this is the favorite festival of everyone. It is Holi. Yes or no? Yes, you all like to play Holi. Yes. Now, Holi is the festival of colors. See here, Holi is the festival of colors. Why it is a festival of color? Yes, because we play this festival with colors. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक दूसरे को कलर लगाते हैं. Yes or no? You all like to play Holi. See here, before Holi, एक दिन पहले, one day before the Holi, in the night, see here. Yes, what do? We burn the, yes, Holika. हम दहन करते हैं ना. Yes. So in this way you have to say your child what is the importance of the festival. हम क्यों celebrate करते हैं? Because this holy festival, it also brings joy and fun. ये हमारे joy के लिए भी होता है, fun के लिए भी होता है. We all come together. But it also destroy all the obstacles. हमारे life में हम बोलते हैं ना, जितने भी obstacles होते हैं, जो भी बुराइयां होती हैं. Yes, when we burn this holika ना, everything gets end. जो भी disease होते हैं हमारे environment, हमारे climate में जो भी disease होते हैं, वो सारे क्या होते हैं, burn हो जाते हैं, खत्म हो जाते हैं. And the next day we all celebrate the festival. Yes, I know parent, this topic is not there in the syllabus, but just for an reference हमने एक extra topic लिया है because our children love Holi. हमारे children को होली बहुत पसंद है. So this is just added. Okay, so Holi is the festival of color. We celebrate this festival by joy and fun with our family and friend. Yes or no? We all like to apply colors. Okay, so in this way you can show some pictures to your child, say the importance of the festival, what we do during that festival. हम अब इस festival में क्या करते हैं, which foods do we prepare at home, कौन से food dishes वगैरह prepare होता है, what is the importance of that, why do we prepare this dish on this day, क्या होता है, we meet to families and friends, all the festival, what do they say to us. जितने भी फेस्टिवल है हमें क्या सिखाता है, that we should always come together. Yes or no? And enjoy the festival. These are all peace. हमें peace में रहना है. We should come together. Yes or no? So these are the importance of the festival. In this way you have to teach your child. Now coming to the next. Yes. Now in this way you can prepare some worksheet and give to your child at home. See here at one side I have shown some pictures of festivals. See here, there are pictures of some festivals and here the names of that festival. So how you are going to teach your child. Now, as you know, they are not still able to read the words. उनको अभी भी नहीं आते. But how? By the beginning letter. As I have already taught you, with the help of beginning letter, they can identify the festival. Now the first festival is over here. You can see, yes, it is a festival of Eid. Yes. Now where is Eid over here? E starts with E. Eid कौन से letter से start होता है? E. E-I-D. Eid. Yes. In this way, you can teach your child and then he will be able to match the correct name of that picture. Yes. The first one is Eid. Now here you can see last picture. Yes, you can see so many children are flying the kite. So many children are flying the kite. So in which festival do we fly kites? हम कौन से festival में करते हैं fly kites fly करते हैं? Yes, in Makar Sankranti. Yes, during Makar Sankranti. So what is the spelling for Makar Sankranti? Makar Sankranti. M for Makar Sankranti. Yes, in this way you can make worksheet and give to your child. Let them recognize the picture and the word with the beginning sound and they can match the pictures. Yes. Now coming to the next. Here also there is one worksheet. See here. At one side I have, see here. Here are some pictures related to the festival, some objects related to the festival, and here are the festivals. Okay. So here you have to ask your child. The first one is Diya. So कौन से फेस्टिवल में हम दिया लगाते हैं? कौन से फेस्टिवल, इन विच फेस्टिवल डू वी लिट लैम्प्स एंड ऑल? कौन से फेस्टिवल में हम सब जगह पे दिया लगाते हैं? ड्यूरिंग बैसाखी, यस, और ड्यूरिंग क्रिसमस. ओके, दिवाली फेस्टिवल. ओके, सो हियर इज दिवाली फेस्टिवल. यस, सो दिया मैचेस विद दिवाली. यस, सो दिया मैचेस विद Diwali. Here you can see a Christmas tree. Yes. So during which festival we decorate the Christmas tree? बैसाखी में हम क्रिसमस ट्री को डेकोरेट करते हैं, होली को डेकोरेट करते हैं. Yes, so we decorate the Christmas tree during Christmas. Yes, so in this way you can make a worksheet. Yes, recognize, let them recognize the object and the festival. कौन से festival में हम कौन सा ये करते हैं, decoration करते हैं. So they can, in the place of diya, you can show them some crackers, or even you can make rangolis. आप rangolis वगैरह का भी picture show कर सकते हैं. Okay, so in this way you can make a worksheet and give to your child to solve. Yes. Now coming to the next. Yes. Here also I have drawn some festival pictures, and same here also I have given some objects. They have to identify in which festival हम कौन सा object use करते हैं. For example, you can see over here Holi. Yes, this is a festival of Holi. So during Holi, do we play dandiya? हम होली में डांडिया खेलते हैं. Yes. Do we play dandiya during Holi? No, we don't play dandiya. Then we play with pichkari. So which is the correct one over here? Pichkari. Yes. So yes, during Holi we play with pichkari. Yes, yes. So in this way you can draw some festival and the related object. See here, you can see one more picture. Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, during Ganesh Chaturthi what we do? हम एक दूसरे को गले मिलते हैं. What we do? Or we prepare modak at home. Yes. Yes, modak. So the right one is modak. So in this way you can make a worksheet and give to your child so that he can easily recognize and solve it. Yes. So these are some simple way so that you can introduce your child with the festivals. Okay, thank you very much, parent. And one more thing, parent. Your child, you have to make a video of your child. आपको एक वीडियो बनाना है जिसमें your child is going to say 5 to 6 line about their favorite festival. उनको क्या कहना है? They have to talk about their favorite festival. उनको उनके favorite festival के बारे में बातें करना है. Okay, they have to say about their favorite festival, which is their favorite festival, what they do during that festival. वो festival में क्या करते हैं और कौन सा dishes बनाया जाता है, what is the important of that festival. They have to speak at least 5 line. You have to record that video and you have to mail that video. Okay, and whenever your child is saying anything about any topic, जब वो कोई भी topic से related बात करता है, don't send the edited video. आपको video edit करके नहीं send करना है. Let your child speak up. Let your child, वो रुक रुक के बोलेगा, टूटा फूटा बोलेगा, no problem. Let him speak up. तो आपको editing करके उसको नहीं भेजना है. आप videos वगैरह जब बनाते हो तो वो one shot में होना चाहिए. And your child should stand properly whenever he speak. उनको स्ट्रेट खड़े रहने के लिए बोलिए और ऐसे जगह पे आप खड़े कीजिए जहाँ पे उनका एक जो कहते हैं ना हम इमेज प्रॉपरली आता है. एंड दे हैव टू टॉक अबाउट their favorite festival at least 5 to 6 line. Okay, parents, hope this topic is clear to each and everyone. If anyone have any doubt, they can put in the chat box.